Hello my dear children, I hope you all are fine out there and welcome back again to this online music session. And today we shall complete the song Mother Nature Needs Us, which we started last week. I hope you have learned the parts which we discussed in the last class, and so today we'll learn the next part, right? So the tune of this part is a little bit different in the previous two verses. Okay, listen. Chicken little, say the sky is falling down. We've got to work together to keep the world going round. Let's think about the children and leave a cleaner world behind. Mother Nature needs us till the end of time. This part is a little bit high, okay, but still. So now we will learn how to sing this part with music. Okay, get ready and follow the countings. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Chicken little, say the sky is falling down. We've got to work together to keep the world going round. Fine, again. Chicken little, say the sky is falling down. We've got to work together to keep the world going round. Next part. Let's think about the children and leave a cleaner world behind. Mother Nature needs us till the end of time. Sing again. One, two, three, four, five. Chicken little, say the sky is falling down. We've got to work together to keep the world going round. Next part. One, two, three, four, five. Let's think about the children and leave a cleaner world behind. Mother Nature needs us till the end of time. So after this, the ending part will come, and it is exactly same which you have learned earlier. Okay. One, two, three, four. We've got to all come together and start planting the seeds. Mother Nature needs us. It's up to you and me. Okay, we've got to all come together and start planting the seeds. Mother Nature needs us. It's up to you and me. Mother Nature